I done seen it all. Rent-A-Center is now renting out Jordans for $19.99 a week to buy $500 Jordans. And the Jordans that don't nobody even want to wear. So you mean to tell me that y'all would rather spend a monthly payment to buy a pair of shoes, and you willing to pay that before you pay your credit card bills? Yo, we gotta do better. But see, this is the witchcraft of how marketing works. They convince you that you need things that you don't need, all so you can create attention. Here's the other thing that I've learned. Most of the time, dudes buy Jordans to impress other dudes. Unless a woman is a sneaker connoisseur, she don't know what number that is. She may not even know that they Jordans, because now everybody wearing boot-cut jeans that's covering up the tongue, so you can't even see the jump man. Look, let me tell y'all, instead of y'all going out there financing some Jordans, why don't you pay your finances so you can have a better credit score, and then you go buy stock in Nike. You go invest in real estate that can buy you your own sneaker shop. See, this is why we gotta learn financial literacy. It's bigger than just having good credit to buy a car and get a house and do all of that stuff. Look, they